Mandera County has today received a consignment of essential supplies, including sample collection kits for the COVID-19 virus. Well, Health CEC Dr. Mahmoud Eda says the equipment will be crucial for taking samples of 30 people who were identified as having traveled in a bus from Nairobi to Mandera, with 2 people who have since been confirmed positive. Alphas Lagat now takes a look at this and other measures counties are putting in place to fight COVID-19.
Days after Mandera County confirmed 2 cases of COVID-19, the County Emergency Response Committee embarked on urgent contact tracing for the 2 patients who traveled to Mandera in a bus. And tonight, the county has 30 people quarantined at the Kenya Medical Training College KMTC Mandera branch, where they are being monitored, but whose samples had not been taken for testing here in Nairobi due to lack of the required kits. The CEC in charge of health has received sample collection kits, which will now be used to store and transport samples from the quarantined people. The 2 patients, a brother and a sister, left Kilifi on the 29th of March and arrived at their home in Mandera on the 2nd of April. On 5th of April, they developed COVID-19-like symptoms. Their samples were tested in Nairobi and they returned positive. Mandera County is still grappling with contact tracing of an additional 15 people who may be at high risk having traveled with the 2 patients. In Wajir, the county has now banned entry and exit of public service vehicles as one of the means of preventing the virus from further permeating to the county in the north.
Whether a county is affected or not, whether people come from Mandera or from Moyale or from Nairobi or Garissa, no, we have locked down all these passenger and private vehicles.
Isiolo County on its part has unveiled a 13-bed ICU unit at the County Referral Hospital to scale up preparations for possible COVID-19 cases. While in Kajiado, the county has eased restrictions and reopened livestock markets to boost beef supply, especially to the capital, Nairobi.
Tuwahakikishie Wakenya kwamba your food basket Kajiado itaendelea kuwajibika kuwatolea Wakenya chakula, na tumefungua njia kuhakikisha kwamba hiyo chakula imefikia Wakenya.
Traders are, however, strictly required to adhere to set guidelines, among them observing hygiene and social distancing. Alphas Lagat, Citizen TV, Nairobi.